Hey all,
Hi, I'm Sanya.
hi, I'm Amishi and we are from University Diamonds.
Welcome to
Sparkles.
So, today our episode is all about travel guide with your precious jewelry.
You have to understand that what all you require. Always carry the jewelry which you actually need. Do not unnecessarily carry any items which is not required. Especially if you're traveling for the leisure, try and carry the minimal jewelry like the diamond chains, the rings, small pendants, or even the small bracelets. And if you're traveling for your wedding purpose, try and mix match your jewelry. Do not carry unnecessary jewelry with you. You can always mix match your jewelry with your outfits. Like if you're carrying a gold set or the polki or the diamonds, try to mix match your jewelry with the outfit.
Next point is always make a list of what you are carrying. Make a written list as well as take the photos and document it. God forbid, if you lose your jewelry, then there is a document of it and a proof for it that it is your jewelry. So always take a photograph and also a written note along with it that you are carrying this and this jewelry.
Thirdly is always carry your jewelry in your carry-on luggage. Do not put it in your checked-in luggage. What people generally do is they think, hey, yeah, this is heavy items. Let's just put it in the check-in luggage. Who's going to check it? No, that's at the higher risk. Always keep the jewelry close to you. So carry it in your hand luggage so that it's closer to you and it is like a lesser risk of losing your jewelry.
And then the most important is how to pack your jewelry. This is a very main and an important issue. Because of this, you can damage your jewelry or even lose it.
So the first we are going to talk about is the polki jewelry, which is the most delicate and very heavy jewelry. So for this, first of all, you need to have a box like this. This kind of box you can also ask your jeweler. Everybody have this kind of box because this box have a cotton cushioning at both the sides which will protect your important and your heirloom jewelry of the polki. So you have to keep your polki jewelry like this, and if it's in a bigger size then you can always keep it in a vertical position. Then attach your earrings in the earring box. Do not layer your jewelry because unnecessary layering of different sets of the polki on this can break and damage your important items. So in this way, your polki jewelry is very much safe in your luggage and you can carry it very easily with you. Take a pouch like this and safely keep all of your precious and small items into this pouch. And then you can keep these pouches safe and secure in your hand luggage. So first you need to carry a small or any size of lock and lock box like this. ये सार किसी के घर पे आपको available होता ही है. And then make a small and a thin layer of a cotton or a bubble wrap or even a newspaper would also work, but try and keep something which is more on spongier side. Then keep your heavier pieces at the bottom so that it's more secure and safe. And then create one more layer of the cotton or the bubble wrap like this. And then you can keep the smaller and lighter items on the top and secure your box with the brown tape or any sellotape to keep it more secured. Also, these kind of pouches are also available in the market. You can even ask your jeweler to provide you with these kind of pouches. They have multiple sections to keep all of your different jewelries intact. And you can keep them safely in your hand luggage. So in this video, we have shown you the different ways of packing your jewelry. One is this kind of jewelry pouch. One is this kind of box. Another, you can keep this kind of small jewelry pouch with you. And for the polki items, this kind of box with the cotton cushioning inside is good to go. And lastly is the jewelry insurance. 90% of the homeowners and your insurance agents have those policies with you. And if in case they don't have a jewelry insurance with it, then you can always ask for a separate jewelry insurance, because that's going to be beneficial for you if you're carrying a much precious or a expensive items with you. So this is a small guide for the traveling with the precious and your very expensive jewelries.
So this was a wrap to the travel guide, and hope it was useful to you. And
See you guys soon in the next episode of our podcast. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.